Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about your color palette. I've done several videos on color palette, but it's easier for me to make a video than explain it on paper. Somebody contact me on Facebook. Just go to Windows and go to Color Palettes and hit Palettes. If you're a laser engraver, you want to pick RGB. There's your RGB color palette, and you can hover over them and you see that's blue or black. 000. Now you can have more than one color palette open. So just go to color palettes and you can have both of them open. If you're a laser engraver, I suggest you not doing that. And this is our CMYK, so I can hit this arrow right here and go to palettes and close that palette. Now, if you have trouble every time you open Corel that your palettes are gone, you just need to go to Tools and save as default, and then it'll save it as a default palette. Anyway, I hope that answered his question a little bit, and thank you for watching.